This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Citroen e-C3. It's a small and compact car. And okay, I won't say it's a poor man's car. People seem to not like me calling cars poor man's car. So I'd say it's a cheap car then. Yes, and we're gonna see in this video how this cheap car can handle the space. Do you have a front? How much space do you have a back? Let's find out. Start in the front first. Okay, well, heavy hood. Yeah, French steel. Well, I mean, the hood is relatively long for such a small car. And here we have some electronics. There seems to be leftover space here and here, but this is, you know, it's a shared platform, also a fossil platform. So of course, fossil engine would take more space, but no front here, unfortunately. So because this is a cheap car, we don't have any motorized liftgate, just manual, everything. And the space in the trunk is okay. I mean, the Aircross actually had remarkably good space, but it's, you know, more expensive. But this is the regular one, so yeah, well, you actually have a lid here you can take out. Let's see. And that frees up some space. Well, it seems to be some soundproofing. Wait, how hard is it to take out this? What? It seems like this piece is too big for the trunk opening. How are you supposed to take it out? There, okay. And then here we have some safety equipment. And then, what the heck is this thing? We have light there. We actually have securing hooks for cargo here. Wow, but it is a metal. Okay, that's good. And then we open up this well. So you can put more banana boxes here then. Round one in the trunk. Well, because it's kind of shallow, then I could only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, but it's probably not that bad for a cheap car, is it? Okay, as usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in this French car. See here? It actually fits one in the footwell. And then it seems to have okay headroom. That means good space for banana boxes, right? Yeah, well, that box is even not pushed all the way forward, but well, we simply couldn't. What can we pull out? Wait. Let me check here. Did that free up more space though? I think it may be. Yeah, the problem is that we cannot fit more here. It's like half a box. No, okay, but it's still as compact as we can get it. As usual, let's put up a pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
19, 20. Wow, not that bad. It's right on par with MG4, which is roughly the same price, and then better than ID3 and Inster, huh? But okay, beaten by EV3. But okay, roughly on that ballpark, we see that, okay, even though it's poor, it's poor utilization of space, we have too long hood, it could have been shorter. This is not the pure EV platform. It still has okay space. Yeah, so that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.